Priority is not requested, it is earned through posture. Most men unknowingly lose priority not because they lack value, but because of the approach they use. They over-accommodate, they over-adjust, they over-chase clarity. They believe more effort creates more importance. But Stoicism teaches a different law. The more you try to secure position, the more you lower it. And when you stop using that approach, when you stop leaning forward emotionally, something shifts. She begins to prioritize you, not because you demanded it, but because your energy changed. 1. You stop over-accommodating. When you constantly adjust to her moods, her schedule, her uncertainty, you communicate flexibility without limit. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." When you stop bending automatically, you begin standing. You don't cancel your priorities to fit hers. You don't rearrange your life to maintain access. You don't chase availability. And when your time feels structured, your presence feels intentional. Intentional presence gains priority. 2. You stop seeking reassurance. Through effort. Many men try to secure importance by increasing effort. More messages, more attention, more emotional investment. Epictetus said, "Freedom is secured not by the fulfilling of desire, but by the removal of it." When you remove the need to prove yourself through effort, your energy stabilizes. You give, but you don't overgive. You care, but you don't chase confirmation. Effort without need feels different, and that difference is noticed. 3. You stop explaining your value. When someone doesn't see your importance, the instinct is to clarify, to explain intentions, to remind them of what you offer, to reinforce your role. Seneca wrote, "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." When you stop explaining your value, you let absence reveal it. You reduce overexposure. You step back from over-availability. You allow space to highlight contrast, and contrast reveals priority. 4. You stop reacting to inconsistency. Inconsistent behavior often triggers pursuit. Delayed responses trigger more effort. Distance triggers more messages. Silence triggers anxiety. Marcus Aurelius observed, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." When you stop reacting to inconsistency, you remove emotional leverage. You don't chase energy shifts. You don't reward unpredictability. You remain steady, and steadiness elevates position. 5. You stop making her the center of your focus. When your focus revolves around her responses, the balance shifts. Your mood adjusts to her tone. Your energy follows her attention. Your direction bends around her behavior. Epictetus reminded us, "No man is free who is not master of himself." When you redirect focus inward, toward discipline, purpose, growth, your posture changes. You are no longer orbiting. You are grounded. Grounded men are prioritized differently. 6. You remove urgency from the dynamic. Urgency lowers status. It communicates fear of loss. It communicates insecurity. It communicates need. Seneca wrote, "He who is brave is free." When you remove urgency, your movement's slow. Your responses are measured. Your engagement is balanced. Your absence is natural, not strategic. And when urgency disappears, space appears. Space allows her to lean forward. She prioritizes you when you stop using the approach that lowers your posture. You stop over-accommodating. You stop overproving. You stop reacting to inconsistency. You stop centering your world around her. And what remains is alignment. A man who stands firm in his own direction does not chase priority. He becomes it, not through force, not through manipulation, but through self-governance. This is the Stoic way.